Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable camera grid lines on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, okay, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in camera settings, okay, you can see the useful features. Okay, here in section of these useful features, you can see the grid line. Okay, on the right side, you can see the switch button. And to enable the grid lines, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the grid line on your camera, and that's it. Okay, so to disable again, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button on the right side, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disable camera grid lines on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.